Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a quick unpackaging here. Looks like I don't even need to use my knife because it's already been pre-cut for me, I guess, by the Amazon delivery guys. So anyway, let's just rip this open. So, let's just use a knife real quick. Why not? So I want to start doing some live streams, and I need a camera to do that, so I figured I'd buy a web camera. Just did a quick search on Amazon and I bought this one. I think this has a speaker on it too, so I don't necessarily have to wear headphones. So it has a built-in stereo mic, and I don't know if the speakers will go through this or how that works, but we'll figure it out. So we're trying to figure out how to do the live streams here. So yeah, just using my old, I don't know, 5-10-year-old desktop, however old it is. So yeah, let's open it up and check it out here. So full HD 1080p. So I have no idea what this stuff is. Oh, this might be, I think it has like a built-in lens cover. So I guess you just tape it on. There's a manual in there, which I'll read eventually. Looks like it came with a little tripod too. I'm gonna put it on top of my monitor, I think. So I don't know if I can use this for other stuff as well. We'll see. Maybe I can use this for video on the tabletop here. So yeah, that'll come in handy too. With this, oh, I guess it extends some more. Interesting. All right, let's check out the camera. I have no idea what these things are for, actually. Anyway, so some built-in microphone, then a privacy cover. So the tripod would screw into the bottom here, I guess. I could set it like that, and then it has some kind of a, so this would sit on the back of the monitor, or over the top of the monitor, and this goes on the back. So I think I'm going to try that first, and I need to figure out how to do the rest of the live stream stuff. So just a quick unboxing showing you what's going on here. I guess that's kind of a channel update as well. And as always, thank you for taking the time, and thank you for watching.